Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Betanna. As we have seen first and second lesson revision, now third. Param Nidhanam Kaha. What is the great treasure? As we have seen, Raja Bhoj lived in the 11th century AD in Marwa, known as Madhya Pradesh, at present MP. Living in Dharanagar, the fame that Raja Bhoj attained at the time is still alive today. Even today, many interesting stories of good governance, his ability to be just even under the most difficult circumstances, and his ability to recognize the learn are popular. He was very great person, identify immediately, recognize the learned persons. A collection of such stories in Sanskrit called Bhoj Prabandh is very well known. Name of the book stories Bhoj Prabandh, very well known, famous. In this, there are many events related to Raja Bhoj are described here by using many verses with aesthetic poetic qualities. With good qualities, it also shows King Bhoj intelligence, wisdom, knowledge. In addition to this, Sanskrit poet of different period have accepted Raja Bhoj as a character to present their ideas. One such story is in dialogue form is presented focusing on Bhoj. As keeping in mind one story in the dialogue form given here. In this dialogue between Raja Bhoj and young scholar, it has been attempted to emphasize strength of one thing over the other. It has been described that the conversation further going between young man and King Bhoj, there is a total halt when it comes to the point of contentment, both satisfied. That means both are knowledgeable. That is, this story lays stress on the importance of contentment also. It shows when after doing argument both satisfy. While reading this lesson, it is important to pay attention to the concord between the case of the dower and the verb forms. Concern with the grammar, according to the subject, form is there, verb form is there, that also we should keep in mind. In addition to this, you also have to learn how the case ending of noun and the various form of the verb change. Case ending, as you know, according to the noun, three kinds, as you know, masculine, feminine and neuter, according to it, singular, dual and plural. As we have seen the translation in this particular lesson, that Bhoj was a lover of learning, lover of art, and who loved his people. That is why knowledgeable person, Pandit, came from the different countries and lived there. When one day King Bhoj was sitting in his house, palace, he saw the young man. He called the young man to ask him who he was, and then discussion taken place. As you know, Bhoj asking, "Who are you?" The young person said that, "I am Ghat Pandit." Bhoj remained in surprise and asking, "Ghat Pandit, why this name? Your name Ghat Pandit?" Young person said that, as the water pot the full of water. Like this, I am also full of knowledge, and that is why I myself believing it Ghat Pandit. After listening this, the word spoken by the young man, the Boj asked that if you are pitcher, pot, I am hammer, and as you know, with the help of hammer, pot can be broken. Young person said that if you are hammer, then I am fire. And as you know, fire can melt hammer, means iron. As you know, hammer is made of iron. Both further said that if you are fire, then I am rain. And as you know, rain can take the control of the fire. Further, young person said that if you are rain, then I become wind, and wind can take the control of the rain. Further, both said that further telling that if you are wind, I am serpent, and serpent can take the wind. Young person further said that if you become serpent, then I will become eagle, and eagle can eat serpent. Bose further said that if you become eagle, then I become Vishnu, and climbing on eagle, sitting on eagle. Further, young person said that if you become Vishnu, then I become the crown of the Vishnu, and crown remain on the head of the Lord Vishnu. Further, both said that if you become crown, I will become flower, and flower remain on the upper part of the crown. Boj praising, experiencing young person's knowledge, further said that if you become crown, then I will be the flower. Young person said, if you become flower, then I become wasp, Brahmaraha, and it remain on the upper part. Both said that if you become wasp, I will become sun, and I will close so that wasp remain. I will close the flower so that wasp remain in the flower, impossible to come it out. Further, young person said that if you become sun, I will become Rahu, and Rahu can eat the sun. Further, both said that if you become Rahu, then I will give you donation, and Rahu will satisfy by accepting donation. Young person further said that if you give donation, I will not satisfy, and I will make your efforts to give donation make you fail, not fruitful. So I will not accept donation. In this way, both satisfy with this argument, and this argument stop. Boj praise young persons, his knowledge, and telling that you are welcome in the city of Dara, and if you are satisfied, nobody can defeat you, And Santosev Purusasya Param Nidhanam Vartate. Satisfaction is the best ornament of the person. This is the main story of this particular lesson discussion between young persons and King Boj. Now see MCQ. Aham Ghat Pandit. I am Ghat Pandit. Aham is coming, so there Asmi is there. Answer, it's Asmi is there. B. Vayu iti sabdasya paryay. Synonyms of this, that is Vataha. C. Third one. Gavas sabdasya artha kaha. What is the meaning of the words Gavas? The Gavas means balcony. Fourth one. Bhupalaha marge suvarna khandam. Akshipataha past tense is there. In third person singular, so Akshipataha coming. C. Sansare kidesam janam paradi koyapi nahati. Which people not be defeated in this world? Santushtaha, who is satisfied. B. Aham danam karishyami. Me, last word is first person singular, then karishyami. Aham danam karishyami. Kasya sikre mugut sada tishtati. Then mastakasya B. The always crown remain on the head. Now see Sanskrit Bhashaya Mutrat. Answer in Sanskrit. Agni kam bhasma karoti. Agni mudugram bhasma karoti. Agni will destroy hammer. Rahu can sant bhavati. How can Rahu be satisfied? Rahu dan grahanen sant bhavati. If he accept donation, then he satisfied. Santo seva kasya param nidhanam. Whose satisfaction is satisfied. Santoseva Purusasya Paramidham. Satisfaction is the best ornament of men. Ramara Putra Bandi Bhavati. Putra Puspasya Antarbhage Bandi Bhavati. Brahmaraha. Brahmara Vas. How can Ras be or Vas be present? It can be present under flowers. Puspasya Antarbhage, lower part of the flowers. Now see this Sabdarupam Parichaya, no need. See question number 6 direct. The king sees Yat. Nupataha Pasyati. As you know, king sees Nupa Yokam Pasyati. King sees the Yat. People go to assembly. Janaha Sabham Gachanti. Virtue or worship in Dharadesh. Dharadeshe Gunanam Puja Bhavati. And Bhoja Prajajeshu Priya Asit. Boj was Bhoja Prajasu Priya Asit. And last Bahul Mudagaram Dahati. Agni burns the hammer. Now see answer in English. How was King Boj? King Boj was a lover of learning and fine arts. He was devoted to his subject, his people. He appreciated scholar and artist. He was also a brilliant conversationalist. Why does the Yat believe himself to be Ghat Pandit? The Yat believed himself to be Ghat Pandit because according to him he was full of knowledge as a pitcher filled with water up to its brim. Third, when does the discussion between King Boj and the youth stop? Why? When the topic of contentment came up, the discussion stopped. When contentment comes, everything becomes calm and quiet. According to their urge to excel also subsided, the discussion stopped. Last question, what was the speciality of Daradesh? The merit of quality was worshipped in Daradesh. The quality of merit is worshipped in Daradesh. Kingdom of Dara, King Boj, respected scholars as we have seen, and people are appreciated and respected virtues. So all this we have done revision. Pay attention, learn properly so that you can prepare it in better way. Bring the end of this lecture. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.